English Easy Practice. Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster? And boost your speaking skills quickly?
We can speak English.
Then, welcome to our new video to improve your English skills. In this video, we'll dive into a fun and interactive learning experience designed to improve your English speaking skills.
Speak English.
Now, we will have a 4-part exercise. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Now, are you ready to train your brain to speak English fluently? Let's get started.
Part 1, English Listening Practice. In the first part, you'll listen to a conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on the meaning of the conversation when you listen to it. This will help you understand real-life conversations better.
Out of the question. Ben, can I please use your laptop? Mine is broken.
What happened? You used it all day.
I know. I tried to fix it, but to no avail. It won't turn on. I need to finish my homework.
I'm sorry, but that's out of the question. I'm using my laptop for my online class now.
Oh no, what will I do?
Don't worry, after my class, you can use it. I promise.
Thank you, Ben. You are a lifesaver.
No problem. Now, let me get back to my class.
Okay, good luck.
Part 2, Learn Vocabulary. Now, let's explore some new words together in our vocabulary section. I'll explain a few words and use them in example sentences to help you grasp their meaning easily.
Vocabulary.
To no avail. You try to do something, but it doesn't work. Example. I called my friend many times, but to no avail. He didn't answer.
To no avail, unfortunately.
But to no avail.
I've spent years tracking them to no avail. Offer riches, confess sins, all to no avail.
So I called reception, but to no avail.
He asked all around, but to no avail.
Tragically, to no avail.
Out of the question. Something is not possible. Example. Borrowing my dad's car is out of the question. He never lends it.
Absolutely out of the question.
Honey, out of the question.
No, out of the question.
Out of the question.
Out of the question, my friend.
Out of the question.
Out of the question.
That's out of the question.
Get back to. To return to something you were doing. Example. I need to get back to work after lunch.
Get back to work.
Get back to work.
Okay, get back to class.
Yeah.
Get back to myself.
Get back to school.
Get back to training.
Back to work.
Get back to work. Get back to you?
Getting back to music.
I should get back to my class.
I'll get back to work.
Okay,
I'll get back to you.
Now you get back to school.
Bug to get back to teaching?
I want to remind you something, guys. Repetition is very important to become fluent in English. So, watch this video many times. Try to answer the questions out loud and you will improve your speaking skills quickly.
Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Time for some interactive practice. Listen carefully to the questions I ask about the conversation. Try to answer them out loud before I reveal the correct answers. This will boost your speaking and listening skills. Repeat this exercise every day until you can say the answers quickly and confidently. Answer the questions out loud.
Ben, can I please use your laptop? Mine is broken.
Did Emma ask Ben to use his laptop? Yes, she did. She asked Ben to use his laptop. Why did Emma want to use Ben's laptop? Because her laptop was broken. What happened? You used it all day. Did Ben ask what happened to Emma's car? No, he didn't ask what happened to Emma's car. What did Ben ask Emma? He asked what happened to her laptop.
I know, I tried to fix it, but to no avail. It won't turn on. I need to finish my homework.
Did Emma say she threw away her laptop? No, she didn't say she threw away her laptop. What did Emma say about her laptop? She said she tried to fix it, but to no avail. Did Emma manage to fix her laptop? No, she didn't. She tried to fix it, but to no avail. What did Emma need to finish? Her homework. She needed to finish her homework. I'm sorry, but that's out of the question. I'm using my laptop for my online class now. Did Ben say yes to Emma? No, he didn't. He didn't say yes to Emma. Why didn't Ben give his laptop to Emma? Because he was using it for his online class. What did Ben say to mean impossible to give his laptop? He said, "That's out of the question."
Oh no, what will I do?
What did Emma say when Ben said no? She said, "Oh no, what will I do?" Don't worry, after my class, you can use it. I promise. Did Ben say Emma could use it later? Yes, he did. He said she could use it after his class. What did Ben promise? He promised that Emma could use it after his class.
Thank you, Ben. You are a lifesaver.
Did Emma thank Ben? Yes, she did. She thanked Ben. What did Emma call Ben? She called him a lifesaver. No problem. Now let me get back to my class.
Okay, good luck.
What did Emma say at the end? She said, "Okay, good luck." Part 4. Shadowing practice. Lastly, we have the shadowing practice. Read your lines out loud after the speakers as they talk in the conversation. Focus on the rhythm and intonation of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will sharpen your pronunciation and overall speaking abilities. Let's begin.
Ben, can I please use your laptop? Mine is broken. I know, I tried to fix it, but to no avail. It won't turn on. I need to finish my homework. Oh no, what will I do? Thank you, Ben. You are a lifesaver. Okay, good luck.
What happened? You used it all day. I'm sorry, but that's out of the question. I'm using my laptop for my online class now. Don't worry, after my class, you can use it. I promise. No problem. Now, let me get back to my class. Great job on completing the English speaking practice. Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy learning!
Thanks for watching, guys. Now, I recommend you watch this great video too. It will help you to improve your English skills, and you will love it, I promise.